riding your bike through beautiful landscapes, feeling the wind on your face, and breathing in fresh air is a thrilling adventure. Bikepacking isn't just a trip, it's a challenge that needs endurance, determination, and the right gear. So in today's video, we will show you the 13 ultimate bikepacking gear for your next trip. Need a dry bag that's as versatile as your bikepacking adventures? Enter the Topeak Bar Loader, the ultimate handlebar bag for any ride. Whether you're hitting dusty trails or braving the rain, this quick-mount dry bag has you covered with sonically welded seams, a roll-top closure, and weather-tight zippers to keep your gear protected. What sets the Bar Loader apart is its flexibility. You can use it solo or mounted atop the Topeak Front Loader for extra storage. The detachable inner bag keeps your gear organized and easy to access, and the included shoulder strap makes it convenient for off-bike use. Waterproof and built to endure tough conditions, the Topeak Bar Loader is designed for cyclists who need reliable gear that adapts to their needs. If you're looking for a reliable way to keep your essentials safe and dry, this could be the perfect addition to your setup. If you're into jamming out or catching up on podcasts while riding, this is something you want to check out. We're talking about the On4U Portable Bike Waterproof Bluetooth Speaker. It is compact and rugged, built to handle all the bumps and vibrations of a bike ride. It comes with an adjustable bike holder and a thick gasket to ensure it stays secure, even on the roughest terrain. Its IP65 waterproof rating, plus, with up to 10 hours of playtime at 60% volume, you'll have plenty of music for even the longest rides. It's just 3.24 inches with a metal hook, so it is easy to attach to your bike or take with you wherever you go. And when it's time to recharge, simply pop it off the bike mount and bring it indoors. You can add the On4U portable Bluetooth bike speaker to your bikepacking checklist to add some music to your ride. Are you planning your next bikepacking adventure and need a reliable front light to keep you safe and visible? Count on the Dayblazer 1500, a robust and compact front light that is perfect for any trail, road, or commute. With its powerful beam, unique TIR lens design, and low-power mode, it's the ultimate trail-worthy front light. Weighing in at just 140 grams, it's easy to mount on your bike or helmet, making it the perfect choice for late-night commutes home. But this light isn't just about visibility, it's also designed to be seen. Whether you're cruising down a dark trail or navigating busy city streets, the Dayblazer 1500 ensures that you're visible to other riders, drivers, and pedestrians. The Flicker UL Quilt Sleeping Bag is what happens when comfort meets versatility without the bulk. This isn't your typical sleeping bag. It's a multi-tool for sleep. Fully unzipped, the Flicker transforms into a wide, cozy quilt, perfect for those warm summer nights. But when the temperature drops, it cinches tight at the footbox and zips up, trapping in the heat exactly where you need it. The continuous baffles let you adjust the insulation on the fly, adapting to whatever Mother Nature throws your way. And that unique crossover zipper? It eliminates the need for a draft tube, so no more worrying about heat loss in the middle of the night. Whether you're at 20, 30, or 40 degrees, this sleeping bag's got you covered. It's like having multiple sleeping bags in one without the extra weight. For a comfortable and durable sleeping pad for your next bikepacking adventure, we have the Appalachian Sleeping Pad from Hike and Bike. This pad is designed to be a perfect balance of comfort and durability. It's made with high-quality materials that can withstand rugged terrain while keeping you comfy. The first thing you'll notice is its impressive thickness, which provides excellent insulation from the cold ground. It's also rated at 15 degrees Fahrenheit, which makes it suitable for a wide range of temperatures. The pad uses a simple, fast inflation system that gets you set up in no time. Just a few breaths, and you're ready for a great night's sleep. Also, the pad deflates very effortlessly, which makes packing easy. If you're looking for an even lighter option, the Hike and Bike Appalachian Ultralight Sleeping Pad is a great choice. There are 8 ultimate bikepacking gear on the list. Before getting into the next one, take a second and hit the subscribe button to get the update on our next video. Thank you so much. When you've been riding for hours through rough terrain, all you need is a good night's sleep. So never forget to keep the Zimbabwe light bed on your bikepacking list, because it's key to home-like sleep even in the harsh outdoors. This 2-piece sleeping bag is designed to provide you with the ultimate combination of warmth and comfort, making it the perfect companion for your next bikepacking trip or outdoor adventure. With its high-quality down insulation and ultra-secure hook and loop system, the light bed is built to keep you warm and cozy all night long. But what really sets the light bed apart is its unique design, which provides the draft-free performance of a mummy bag and the luxurious comfort of a backpacking quilt. Say goodbye to the hassle of juggling gear and snacks while trying to steer your bike, because the Rock Bros waterproof handlebar bags are here to save the day. With seamless workmanship and a high-strength construction of 600D nylon TPU fabric, these bags are the ultimate solution for keeping your belongings safe and dry on even the wettest of rides. But that's not all. These handlebar bags also come equipped with 2 assembly tube pouches that can be detached and used together or alone on the handlebar for maximum versatility. With a total capacity of 19 to 21 liters, you can easily store all your essentials, from snacks and keys to repair tools and small listening devices. And when it comes to installation, the quick-release straps make it a breeze to attach the bags to your handlebar or use them as a waist bag. Here's another sleeping gear aid for bike packers. The Thermarest Trail Pro Sleeping Pad is a self-inflating foam that measures a whopping 3 inches thick and features durable straight-a-core construction, which means you'll get the warmth and support you need without carrying extra weight on your back. And it's easily packable. Thanks to its R-value of 4.4, you can camp in any season without fear of chilly toes. And let's not forget the wing lock valve that allows the pad to inflate 3 times faster. Not just that, it also has a larger opening and a one-way inflation system that eliminates all the hassles before having a sound sleep. Having the right cooking gear can help you streamline your packing process and make your bikepacking trip more enjoyable overall. And this Toaks Titanium 750ml pot will be a great choice for it. This pot is the ultimate combination of lightweight design and durability, making it the ideal choice for anyone who wants to travel light without sacrificing performance. With its foldable handles and lockable grips, the 750ml pot is easy to handle, even when you're on the move. And its gradations in both milliliter and ounce make it easy to ration your supplies and ensure that you're using just the right amount of fuel for your stove. To conclude the list, we have the AquaQuest Safari Tarp. It's an ideal choice for anyone who needs a lightweight, durable, and waterproof shelter to make their bikepacking trip cozier. First thing first, the Safari Tarp is waterproof. Its dual waterproof coatings and precision-taped seams create a barrier that's impervious to wind-driven rain, keeping you dry and comfortable no matter what Mother Nature throws your way. Constructed of 70D nylon and reinforced with webbing tie-outs and a ridgeline, this tarp is built to last. Its thick skin can withstand the rigors of the trail. Despite its durability, the tarp is also lightweight and easy to pack. It compresses down to a modest size that fits easily in your bike's handlebar bags. Check out the right corner of the video, and you'll get our other video on ultimate bikepacking gear. Meet the Moryuta Hogar 2P, the 3-in-1 versatile tent that's redefining outdoor adventures. Whether you're biking, hiking, or camping, this tent adapts to your needs. Setting up with a bike, hiking poles, or camping poles, your choice. Weighing in at just 1.6 kg and packing down small enough to fit on your road bike handlebar, the Hogar is both ultra-light and compact, so it works seamlessly with most bikes on the market. Setting up in the rain? Moryuta has thought that through. The inner tent stays dry in its waterproof bag while you set up a rain-protected area with a fly sheet and storage area first. Once secure, you can comfortably lay down the inner tent and zip it all together, keeping you dry and ready to relax. If you're looking for a tent that keeps up with your adventurous spirit, the Moryuta Hogar is your next go-to shelter. The Tailfin Aero Pack revolutionizes bike packing by merging the best features of seat packs and panniers into one sleek system. Designed for both road and mountain cyclists, this ultralight, stable gear-carrying solution is built to handle any adventure with ease. Thanks to its fast mount system, you can fit or remove the Aero Pack in seconds, while its smart engineered connections ensure a rock-solid attachment with no unwanted movement. With a cavernous 18-liter capacity and a large roll top opening, accessing and packing your gear is a breeze. You can choose from models with side pannier mounts for maximum load capacity or go without for enhanced aerodynamics. The Aero Pack's reflective panels and light mount options keep you visible and safe, while its 100% waterproof construction and dropper-friendly design make it a versatile choice. Ready to upgrade your bikepacking setup? The Tailfin Aero Pack offers unmatched durability and performance. Unlock your ride's full potential with the Garmin Edge Explorer 2, your ultimate GPS cycling companion. With a bright 3-inch touchscreen and high-contrast maps, this device delivers bike-specific, turn-by-turn navigation for both on- and off-road adventures, ensuring you never lose your way. The Edge Explorer 2 is built to keep up with you, offering up to 16 hours of battery life in demanding use and up to 24 hours in battery saver mode. Connected to your e-bike, it provides routing based on battery status and assist level. Plus, with Varia radar compatibility, you'll stay safe and visible on the road. Stay connected with live event sharing, sending updates to family and friends effortlessly. Ride with confidence, knowing incident detection will alert your emergency contacts if needed. With ride-type specific maps and advanced features, the Edge Explorer 2 ensures you'll always find your way and enjoy every ride. And there you have it, folks. Gear that keeps you comfortable and safe on the trail while also improving your bikepacking experience. Whether you're tackling rugged trails or cruising through scenic routes, having reliable gear can turn a good trip into a great one. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with fellow adventurers.